हाल ही में ये सब नेपोटिज्म वाला चक्कर तो बहुत ही चल रहा है. It's not just बॉलीवुड के अंदर ये चीज एग्जिस्ट करती है. Of course, blood is blood. Yes. Godfather makes sure that there are films being developed for you. आपकी फिल्म पिट गई तो और एक फिल्म आपके लिए रेडी है. After my first film, because my first film is probably the most commercial film that I chose. Like it was a romantic made by Rajshri, who's known for these kind of movies. Mm-hmm. After that, I was very conscious to say I'm going to do everything that other people don't want to do. So I knew that actors don't like horror, so I went and did Pizza. I know that good people don't like too dark roles, so I went and did Gurgaon and Lal Rang, and then a dark comedy like Kala Kandi. So I guess I try to do things that other people don't want to do. I think the general what people say कि ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये तेरे करियर के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, तब मैं ज़्यादा excited हो जाता हूँ. It has been a way to stand out or try and stand out because it's a very competitive environment. There are bigger films, being made all the time. So I used to definitely get affected by यार मेरी फिल्म चली नहीं, अभी किसी ने देखा नहीं है, और मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसा भी लगता है कि मैंने इतना काम कर लिया है, like compared to other actors in my age bracket. I mean, I've done 14 films and 10-15 web series, and then like 40-50 short films. Yeah. And half of that work no one even knows about. Mm-hmm. So I used to get disheartened, but then I met a man named Sanjay Mishra, who I think is probably the greatest actor we have, or one of the greatest actors we have. हमने एक फिल्म की थी गढ़वी करके, जो कभी रिलीज नहीं हुई है. And he told me during that time, we became very close while making that movie. And he told me कि तूने बहुत काम किया है, but याद रख कि जो भी तू काम कर रहा है, it's all rehearsal for the big one. तो जितना तू कैमरा के सामने आएगा, जितना तू मेहनत करेगा, उतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग तेरी होगी, इतना इजाफा होगा तेरे अंदर, and उतना बेहतर तेरी एक्टिंग होगी. Keep that car moving, keep that train going. That was probably the best advice I ever got. So after that, now if a web series comes and doesn't do well, or if a film comes and doesn't do well, I'm not so broken by it because I know what I gained from it as an actor and I gained from it as an experience. And my entire journey and my entire career now is kind of aligned towards, can I be the best actor I can be? I want that stamp. I want people to say कि यार ये कमाल actor था, ये कुछ भी कर सकता था. मतलब इसको कोई भी रोल दे दो, ये कर सकता था. If I'm heading in that direction, I'm okay यार. और फिल्में आएंगी, और फिल्में पिटेंगी, and you learn more from failure than success any day.
It's actually a very wonderful way to look at it, and it's a very brilliant perspective for a lot of actors out there who are also really trying really hard to come up or be noticed. How difficult you think it is at this time for an aspiring actor or someone to come from the outside to make his way in and become a big Bollywood movie star?
I actually think this is the best time. I know that lately I'm saying something that lately Instagram and Twitter won't agree with me, but I think it's the best time right now because suddenly producers, directors, writers, suddenly everybody really wants talent. Audiences, they want talent. They don't want कि ये इसका नाम ये, इसका नाम वो है, इसका surname ये, इसका surname वो है. Audiences don't really want that anymore. They want good acting, good performances, well-made films. Also, thanks to the digital age, इतना काम है अभी कि if you are actually a good actor, काम मिल जाएगा. And there is a way to prove yourself. Today, without naming any names and without making a list, if you were to really look at the young actors today who are really at the top of their game and have the biggest fan following and have the biggest hit films in the last 5 years, I'm pretty sure you'll find that most of them are outsiders. So the last couple of years have really, really, really pushed that a bit. So I think it's the best time right now. In fact, I keep telling Jyoti, my wife, that I wish I started now. When I started, there was no such thing as a casting director. There was no casting day and Mukesh Chhabra casting company. These things didn't exist. And now suddenly there are casting people in place who actually are searching for talent, who are actually auditioning people. And auditions actually matter today. I think I've done over 1,000 auditions in Bombay. But I feel like the first 500 never counted because the agenda was different there. But अब मुझे लगता है कि पूरा मैदान खुला हुआ है सबके लिए.
Do you think it's important to have a godfather in the industry?
It can't hurt. I think having a godfather, people who have it are very fortunate in a way because now things are being designed for you. And there's a lot of money in this game. There's a lot of money at stake. There's a lot of investors who kind of pool together to make films, and then the actor becomes the face of it. So if you have a godfather, that godfather makes sure that there are films being developed for you. He or she makes sure that आपकी फिल्म पिट गई तो और एक फिल्म आपके लिए रेडी है. So that is the luck of the draw. Some people have it, some people don't. In my case, it doesn't exist, but I think that makes me stronger, and I think that makes me a better actor. In another case, maybe that Godfather is what made that person stronger and a better actor. I don't know. So different things work for different people. But having a Godfather never hurts in any industry, whether that's banking, whether that's law, whether that's movies. Having a Godfather is always, you're very fortunate, lucky if you have it.
So, Akshay, the insider versus outsider debate in Bollywood has always been discussed. And just recently in a virtual press conference, a few popular actors were given more prominence over lesser known artists. Now, the reason I'm asking you this is because Vidyut Jamwal, who's been your co-star in Jangli, spoke out about it, saying that the cycle continues. So, what is your perspective on this?
Yeah, I feel very bad about what happened there, even with Kunal Khemu and Loot Case and Rasika Duggal, who's also in that film. They're all very good friends of mine. I mean, all people I really respect, all people that I've worked with, and I really, I value their work and contribution to cinema. It's unfortunate what happened there. I feel like अगर किसी की film announce हो रही है किसी बड़े platform पे, तो उनका होना बहुत important है. मुझे भी बहुत बुरा लगता अगर मेरी film release हो रही होती and I was not intimated or I was not invited. I got to say, and I haven't spoken to Vidyut about this, but I got to say that more power to you, man. Keep working harder. At the end of the day, it's a business. So whichever person who's on that poster is the highest selling person.
Right.
So I look at it two ways. One is I feel really bad about it because agar mere saath hota, as I said, I'd be really pissed off. But somewhere I would also say ki, okay, Akshay Kumar sells a lot more movie tickets than I do. And Ajay Devgan also sells a lot more movie tickets than I do. So I would understand कि वो front and center खड़े हैं तो बहुत बढ़िया है. And this is a business. It's an art made for business. So the platform is also trying to capture all the eyeballs they possibly can, and therefore they will put that face. So it's a double-edged sword. With that said, they should not have neglected somebody altogether जिसकी film खरीदी हुई है और जिसकी film release हो रही है. So maybe not highlight or put them front and center on the poster. But I definitely feel Vidyut and Kunal should have definitely been a part of that press conference. I'm so glad that Vidyut tweeted, and I'm so glad that people nowadays are talking about it because somewhere if you don't voice it, a change doesn't happen. And if you look at the whole world right now, it's going through this. Everyone is fighting for equality and anything. And I think Sushant's demise also started a conversation parallelly, which this is sort of in continuation of that. So I think the world is fighting for equality and the world is fighting for fairness and a fair playing field, and that's not a bad thing, yaar.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.